Are you ready to be the boss babe of your own health? Then you are in the right place. Hi, my name is Daniela, the vegan mom. Us women, we are strong and powerful, and together we can stand up against the evil of this world and make a difference. Together we can save the animals, and together we can save our health and the health of our families. Only a vegan lifestyle can accomplish all of this, and I can help you and your family discover the beautiful world of veganism. Go to my website and make an appointment with me. It's free, so let's talk. Bye. Talk to you soon.